Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will use the Python dictionary data structures to create an emoji converter. Whenever we can type colon and closing parenthesis in a chart boxes, it will going to convert into smiley emoji. So if you are going to type like this, colon and closing or opening parenthesis, it will going to convert this beautiful sad face. So this is what an image emoji converter is. It will going to convert this string into this emoji. So this is what we are going to build this cool project program right now. Okay, so just I will erase it. First of all, we can need the variable called message, then use the assignment operator. After that, we can use the input function to take input from the user. So input, add parenthesis, add the double quotations. So it will tell the users, type your message, type your message, type your message. Okay, after that, whatever the user will type, it will be stored in a variable called message, right? After whatever the user will going to type, it will going to store in a variable called message, right? Then I will hit the enter. So there is a string method called split. There is a method called or string method called split method will be there. Okay, so this split method will going to split each and every words what the user will going to type. So this is the work or this is the performance of the split method in string, guys. Okay, now it can be stored in a separate variable called separate separate separated underscore, you can say it as words. Okay, just use the assignment operator here. After these two line, we will going to print it on the terminal. How you can print? Using the inbuilt function, that is printf, print. Just I will copy this variable and paste it in a printf function. See, when I will run this program, you will see what happened in the terminal window. Okay, our program is successfully running. So it will going to ask, type your message. I will say or I will type, I love Python programming. As soon as I hit the enter, it will going to split. As you can see here, see, I love Python programming. So this is what the work of this split method in string, guys. Okay. Now we can finish half of the program of our emoji converter project, guys. Now we are going to create, after this code, we are going to create the dictionaries named emoji. Okay, how you can declare a dictionaries? Using the square bracket, using the square brackets, not using the square bracket, using the curly braces. Okay, remember, just hit the enter. So we can create using the curly braces. After that, the first key of our dictionary is string. How you can declare the key value here? Using the double quotation, after that colon, after that you can closing parenthesis. Now we can add the colon using the double quotation. Now inside the double quotations, we are going to add here emojis. How we can add emojis here? If you are from Windows, we are going to press window key and dot key together. Window key, dot key together. After that, the emoji window will be show up, guys. Okay. Then I will add the this one guys, double images I will going to add. Now I will going to separate it by using the comma. Just hit the enter. Again I will add the key value pair is double quotation, colon, and open parenthesis, not open parenthesis, it is a closing parenthesis I think. Okay, after that add the column, then double quotations. Again I will use the emoji converter using Windows key and dot key together. Then I will got the emoji window. Again I will use the one more key value, so separated by comma, double quotation, add the colon. No need to add the colon, better you can use the string love, love. Okay, enter. Sorry, not enter, you can use the colon here. Now we are going to use the emoji that is love, means I will use this kind, this art guys. Okay, now we are successfully creating the dictionaries, right? After creating the dictionaries, I will explain guys. See here, the love is a string, this is the key, and emojis are the values guys. Okay, I think you people are very familiar with the dictionaries. In my previous video you people are understand how you can declare a key value in dictionaries, right? So after creating dictionaries, we are going to create, or we are going to declare a variable name called output and make it empty. Make it empty. Okay, now after output variable is declared, then you can use the for loop. For word in separated underscore words words, after you can add the column, just click the enter. Now we are in the for loop call, we are in the for loop, right? So this time we can use the get method to avoid the error messages. Okay, emoji dot get, add parenthesis. Now the input argumented is the word word, input argumented is the word. We can set the alternate or default value here, that is also going to be a this word only. Okay, this word only, no problem, you can use the by default word. Okay, no problem at all. After that, now you can use the argument assignment operator here, argument assignment operator, and store it in a variable called output. Output, then click the enter, not enter, just you can space. Now we can, or we need to concatenate the space here. Okay, that is how you can conclude concatenate using the plus symbol and add the quotations, add some space. Finally we are going to print using the print function that is also outside of our for loop. You can came out from the for loop, or just you can go back and click the enter. Okay, now you can use the inbuilt function called printf, print output. Okay, when I will run this program, we will see what happens in the terminal window. Okay, see, as soon as I run the program, you will see our program is successfully running. Guys, type your message. I will type I am happy, happy. Okay, I am happy. Now here we can type column and closing parenthesis. Okay, not closing parenthesis, this is a opening parenthesis guys. Okay, as soon as I click the enter, it will going to convert strings into emojis. We will see guys, when I will run this program, instantly convert the smiley into a smiley emojis. Okay, see here, you can see I am happy here. I think you people are visible. First it will going to split the each sentence, then it will going to print the, or it will going to convert the emoji string into emoji, smiley emojis, guys. Okay, again I will rerun this program. You will see. Okay, type your message. I am sad. I am uh, sorry. I am sad. Okay, you can see I am sad. Okay, see now again I will rerun this program, guys. You can see another message. I will type the another message is I love my mother. Okay, LOVE, love. Now you can see double hearted is come to here. Instead of love, it will going to convert the emojis, smiley emojis here. Here heart emojis are coming down. Okay, so this is what the converting smiley into smiley emojis, guys. Okay, so this is an example for Python dictionary data structures, guys. I think you people are enjoyed this video. So if you are like this video and share this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.